So we have seen a lot of neat features and tools that we can use inside of VBA. And one of the best tools that you can use with VBA are user forms. And user forms are a great way to create a user-friendly environment for users to input data into the spreadsheet. Some of the advantages that we get with using user forms is that users can input data into the spreadsheet without actually having to type directly into the cells. And they give us more control of what we can allow the users to input and not having to worry about our format or functionality of our spreadsheet being compromised. Inside of these user forms, we can add many controls such as text boxes, command buttons, combo boxes, option buttons, and so on. And this will give the users a more personalized experience, feeling like they have a program written tailored to their needs. So for the rest of this section of the course, we will be working inside the User Form Sheet tab, and we are going to create a user form that allows us to input data inside of these columns. So the first thing that we have to do is create the user form. And we can do that by going inside the VB editor, clicking Insert, and select User Form. I can move this toolbox for now. And you can see inside of our project window, we have a new folder called Forms with our new user form called UserForm1. And over here to our right is a little preview of our form. And the first thing that we are going to do with this form is change the name of our form. And to do this, we need to open up the properties for this user form. So we can come up to View and select Properties window. Now within our Properties window, we have all the properties that we can change for this user form. And the first property is the name. So instead of UserForm1, we can refer to this form in our code as add form. And within our forms folder, our name changed to add form. So this is a little bit more descriptive than just UserForm1. Now up here in our user form, our caption still says UserForm1. Well, we can come down to the properties and change the caption property to add item. And now up here in our user form, add item is our caption. So that's how you can create a user form. Now we are ready to start adding controls into this user form, which we will get into the next video, but this will help guide users to know what data to input into the spreadsheet.